YouTube. This is Andrea here.
And the other Andrea, hello.
Woo woo. We got a wrong mini happy plan. We got a wrong mini happy plan. That's so cute. And aren't they adorable, guys?
That was fun.
You like my song?
No.
No?
No, I'm your daughter.
Well, it begins in July, and guess what, guys? Today is July 1st.
Okay.
So let's do July 1st through the 7th.
With a special kit made just for this type of planner.
Yes.
Made by yours truly.
This is a special kit. We told you guys that we would start doing the mini dashboards. And here it is. Sorry about the interruption, folks. It was the doorbell. It was life. Yes. Okay, so this is
a dashboard kit. This is the first dashboard kit of many. This is Summer Fun. And it's a dashboard kit for the mini Happy Planner. That came out so much better in my head. I'm not sure why. So that's the second sheet, and it's got stuff on it. That's exciting.
This is beautiful. I love the colors. Alright.
These are both sheets together.
Let's play.
Yeah.
Okay, so this goes on this side.
That
Covers that box.
That goes, or yeah. It covers whichever box on that side you want.
Okay. And these are the
top washi.
Top washies.
Because nobody wants to know what month it is or year.
Nice.
That's so pretty already.
It is. It's so colorful.
There's nothing on the page and it's already pretty.
There we go. I didn't put it on crooked, guys.
That's exciting.
Yeah.
You know what else is exciting? It fit.
It fits. Now I can cover this if I want to.
Well, yeah, that's what the 4 boxes are for, because in reality you're not going to want to cover all 7 days.
Yeah.
Because people have stuff to do during the week.
Right. That's so cute.
It's to fit the header. That's why the boxes are a little shorter.
That's beautiful.
I like it.
It makes me feel like going swimming.
No.
Yeah, because she's in her bathing suit. I want to be on the beach with her.
On the beach, yes.
Yeah.
I'm not building a pool.
No.
No. We got to cover Tuesday?
Do we have an appointment? We do. Well, this one.
I have an appointment Tuesday.
This is actually my business planner, so I don't put appointments in this one.
Oh, I can then just put it wherever.
So I'm going to put it wherever I want.
Yeah, that's what I just said.
I want to put it wherever I
I
want.
just said that.
Oh, nice. I'm going to stagger. Oops. Yeah, and I'm going to put one on the 7th. Thank you for making 4 boxes. Woo woo. Nice. I love it. That looks so festive. Yeah.
And those are half boxes.
And then these are my half boxes. I'm going to figure out where I'm going to put them here in a little bit. But I got my headers that I want to put up first. Glad I have tweezers.
Because you have nails?
No, because I can get them a little straighter
Mm.
by holding one end, and this is a more
Straight.
yeah.
Yeah, I love the colors.
I do
It's making
too.
it pop.
Nice. This is turning out really pretty. I didn't think there would be anything you could do with this type of layout, but you really changed my mind on what can be done, and that's so awesome.
Honestly, when I first got the layout, I didn't think there was much you could do with it either. But then I realized that you could utilize that extra page of weirdness,
Uh-huh.
and so that was helpful.
Check it out.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. Just totally, jazzes it up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this side I think is done. So let's go on to this side. I'll put my pineapple in. I love my pineapple. This one instead it says to buy, but I'm gonna go ahead and put to do, because I don't make a list of things to buy
Unless it's a grocery list.
unless it's a grocery list, right? I buy the same stuff over and over again for my business, so I'm not gonna make a to buy list. So that's to do. This is calls and emails, but I'm gonna go ahead and put small stuff. Then bills to pay is going to be today. And we have birthday this month. We have like a bazillion birthdays this month. So I'm going to put that over on focus. Yay!
That's cute.
Now I'm going to put my page flags down,
Checklists.
checklists down. Nice.
I'm showing you.
I know.
Okay.
I do have some shipments coming in today, which is why we ran up to go into that door. So we'll put that under today. No grocery shopping.
Yay.
This is it. I absolutely love it. This is so cool. And maybe what I'll do is take my half box and we'll put that here. And then one down here. Yay! I used the whole sheet.
Finally.
Yay! It looks so good, Drea. You did such a great job.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll be glad to get back to you. This is now on sale in Andrea's Etsy shop. There is a link below. Like her shop and you should get a coupon and enjoy some percentage off. There you go, guys. That's the whole thing. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.
Bye.